going to look at books about the birds of Arizona. First category are the field guides. We've got 4 of them here. This one is Birds of Arizona Field Guide, and this one has a rather strange way of categorizing the birds. It does it by color. So you have a little tab here, section, these are blackbirds, blue, grey, green, and it means that sometimes the male of a species, like the cardinal, is in one section and the female is in another section. I'm not too keen on that, but if you like that, if that makes it easier for you, then that's the one for you. This is a nice little small one. It's the National Geographic Field Guide to Birds, and this covers Arizona and New Mexico. And very good photographs. They're quite large. The photographs are good, and a good amount of text. So that one's not bad. It's small, put in your pocket. But the one I always use, if I want to identify a bird, is Birds of Southeastern Arizona. This one is by Rick Taylor, and as you can see by the binding, it gets good use. Yeah, this is the first one I always turn to, and then if I'm not sure, I look at the Sibley's Birds of the West. This is not just Arizona, this is the whole of the West. But these are the 2 that I use mostly. And Rick Taylor, he's come out with in the last couple of months with the Birds of Arizona. Now this field guide, it says on the back here, has more than 500 birds and 900 stunning color photographs. This is really a lot of hard work, really good photographs, not much text, but just what you need to identify a bird. And overall, this is a good one, but if you're birding in southern Arizona, you only need to take this lighter one, because this features all birds that have ever been seen in Arizona. I bet the blue-footed booby is in here. I don't know. Let's have a look. At 169. Let's see. Yes, we have the blue-footed booby, which you're never going to see in Arizona. The last one was seen in 2019. But it's very good reference work. It's very good. There's this book, which I think is out of print, Arizona Birds, which is more of a text-heavy book with a few photographs. Then the other category is where to find the birds. This is excellent. It's published by the Tucson Audubon Society. Where to find the birds in southeast Arizona. If you're a birder in Arizona, this is a book you should have. And we also got the Birder's Guide to Southeastern Arizona, again by Rick Taylor. So this one is text heavy as well. The other category are more academic books, like these classic The Birds of Arizona, published by the University of Arizona Press in 1960, so it's quite old. And it has descriptions. It's mostly black and white. There are a few color photographs, but excellent photographs, seeing as if this was published in the days before digital photography, when photography was that much more difficult. So we've got that, and another academic book is this one, published by the University of New Mexico Press. I don't know why New Mexico Press published the Birds of Arizona, not the university, it was at Arizona Press, but there you are. And this is very detailed, a very nice book. Again, this was published quite a while ago, 2004 I think, but it shows where all the different birds have nested in Arizona. You won't find a blue-footed booby in this book because I'm sure the blue-footed booby didn't nest in Arizona. So those are the books that are available right now. I should tell you about the book I'm planning. The books we just looked at were either field guides like these, which have smaller photographs, very limited amount of text. And these were designed for taking with you, small, put in your backpack, put in your pocket, and designed to identify the birds. Then we had more academic type books, larger format, like the Birds of Arizona. This one, mostly black and white inside with a few color photographs, was published in 1960. What I'm planning is a large format book, even larger than this, probably 9 inches by 12 inches, which gives the opportunity for far larger photographs and a lot more text. In fact, some of the birds probably could be portrayed life-size due to the room that we will have. So I'm planning really a coffee table art book with many high quality, I hope, photographs of all the birds of Arizona. In the next video, I'm going to decide which birds to include in the book and which ones to leave out. So watch out for that, and please subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.